Hello to everyone. Now, after having these boots for more than a month, riding in any kind of conditions, include rain, I think I'm ready to make a detailed video review. Stay with me. Welcome back, guys. Okay, I will start with the first and most obvious question. Price. They are not cheap. You can find it between $270 and $320, even $350 on Amazon. I will agree that they're not cheap, but I have to tell you that the quality is really good. You can see it in overall. Nice finishing, nice, easy to lock and unlock buckles. I think this is one of the best systems I have seen so far, and I have got a lot of riding boots, especially dirt ride boots. So these are more, I will say, like touring boots, not exactly for the dirt, but I think that the quality is really great. It has this protection here on the front. If you have a direct impact, it's a really tough plastic, so it will protect your leg from this side. It has also protection on the toe. Here on the back, it's from plastic. Here on the tip-piece, and it has also nice rubber sole underneath, so it provides excellent grip when you walk around. And also they are not that tough. I needed something like 3-4 days to bend it, and after that to walk around was not a problem at all. So quality is really good. Functionality, I will say, just perfect. Thanks to this joining system, you can easily walk around without having any problem. Also, it's a soft material here, again, to help you to walk around easily. So they provide actually very good comfort. As I told you guys many times, comfort and protection, they never really work together, but with these boots, it's maybe the best compromise you can afford at the moment. See now this hard plastic here, so if the car hit you from behind, or if for any case you hit your leg from behind, it is very well protected. It also has this rubber strap here, so you can grab it and easily put the shoes on, but I think it's everything the same as the old model. And now, guys, we're coming to the most logical question: why we should invest money in the CD Adventure 2 if we can buy the first model CD Adventure for about $50–60 cheaper? Well, this is what I'm about to tell you now. They've got some differences now. In the overall design, there are small differences which are not so important. Some plastic here, some plastic over there. This is not so important. But the best they have done so far is that the Gore-Tex protection, because these boots are made from Gore-Tex, which is the best protection for waterproof ever. You can try any kind of materials, Sympatex, Shell-Tex or whatever, but Gore-Tex always been the best, and it will be always probably. So the Gore-Tex lining now, it's with about, I will say, 5–6 or maybe almost 10 centimeters taller. On the first model it was up to here. Now we have this extra 10 centimeters, which is around 3 inch, or I don't know how many exactly, to protect you, especially if you're going into the deep water. Even to here, you will be fine. And another difference is now that these boots are now not made from real leather. They are some kind of synthetic material, some kind of what they said exactly, microfiber material. And I also got many questions: is that now breathable? Yes, it's absolutely waterproof and breathable. And what is the most important, that this material, they stat that this material is even better, and it will last longer, and it will be much better in the terms of walking comfort. So it's a new material, it's a synthetic material, much better than the old leather. And also they are a little bit lighter, not that much, but a little bit lighter. Very easy to wear it. The sizes are pretty accurate. This is 10.5 or 45. It's perfectly matched for me. As I said, this is maybe one of the best buckle systems I have seen so far. They're not so wide, so you can easily have it underneath of your riding pants. All good. As I told you, absolutely pleasure to walk around because of this joining system here. It's absolutely not a problem if you need to go down for something. Very good comfort when you need to ride as well, press the brake, or just standing on the pegs. This model is not so wide here, so it's not a problem. It's not touching the frame here. So these are some of the complaints the owners of the first model of CDF got, but this one is perfectly fine. absolutely trouble free when you need to change the gears. It has also this plastic cover here to protect the actual boot. But important question, are they really waterproof? Well guys, my opinion is that nothing lasts forever. I've got the chance to ride for about 2 hours, really strong rain with wind, and I was riding on the highway, which is mean that all of this water was blasting the boots all the time, and they survived. I was absolutely dry. I believe that they will hold at least 4 or 5 hours a serious rain. I think that the waterproof is not doubt at all, because there are so many people use these boots for so many years and all of them confirm that they're good. And now guys, my conclusion. First and very important, I'm not paid from CD and the boots are not for free. I bought it with my own money. I paid for it for about 270 euros here in Europe from Amazon.de. And I believe that these are very good boots. Maybe this is the best option you can afford at the moment from the market in the terms of quality, functionality, safety and comfort at the same time. I really like it and I'm gonna use it until I totally destroy it. In the case you want to buy it, I will have a link in the description down below to my Amazon shop, and if you buy it, I will earn a small commission. As usual guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Ciao.